Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruchi and today we are going to talk about neuroplasticity, which is a magical, beautiful term. Sometimes I think that why didn't I know it earlier? So basically what does it mean? It means that our whole brain is structured with a lot of neurons, which basically in simple words it's like a lot of wiring and conditioning in our brain, which is like belief system, emotions and feelings and all of it, and you can actually change it. Like, you can actually change everything about your brain. Why is it called plasticity? Because it is changeable, it is flexible, you can do it. Yes, it's not that simple. It is very much like, you have to be very much controlled and disciplined when you're working on it. Is the reason that you actually need to isolate yourself. you know you must have heard 6 months gayab ho jao and then come back. So a lot of times I've also seen people talking that क्यों गायब होना है, why can't we just be a part of the crowd and do the things. It's okay if you want to just live a normal life and you're just fine with doing whatever you have been doing. It cannot work that way. Why? Because from my last video what we discussed, that the most important thing is your alignment. You need to have a proper alignment. Now alignment is important. Alignment has to be there to attract anything in your life or to bring any change in your life. But how to bring the alignment, what can you do about it? And I talked about also that you need to remove yourself from the places and people and situation which is not good for you. Fine, then I want to tell exactly how does it work, so that you can understand, and then you can actually work on things. Because once you understand, it's really easier and it's more convincing to go for a change. The need to talk about it today because it's so much on my mind. So the fact is, what all we are going to discuss, like how to bring this alignment, why you need to isolate yourself, whether you need to work on yourself. When I say yourself, it not only means about having an ambition to earn money or to reach at a position, that is also there. But even if you have an aim of changing your life, changing your patterns, changing your habits, and improvise things and situation, then you need to isolate yourself. Why? I'll tell you. Because when you want to change something, this is very obvious that you're not happy with what has happened and what is happening, right? Very, very logical that you're not happy at a place where you are. Or maybe even if you are at a place, then still you feel like you need the change. That's a push you're feeling inside. You cannot change yourself by being in the same environment. Why? Because you have a past. Everybody, all of us has a past, and we have a past, and that past is stored in form of emotions, memories in our body, everywhere. So our body is having a habit, because as I body is your subconscious mind. So when body is your subconscious mind, body has memorized all the emotions, whatever you have been feeling. So like, for example, if you have been feeling traumatic, if you have been feeling very painful, lot of discomforts, roughness, whatever, anxious, you have been anxious very often, panic attack, whatever it is. I'm taking big words, so because there will be a lot of people who might have experienced even that. So what I want to tell is, when you have been experiencing all these things, your body has memorized all these emotions, and to get rid of all those emotions, all these things, you need to take away yourself from that environment. क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी एडिक्टेड हो जाती है इमोशन से, और आपकी बॉडी खुद बार बार चाहेगी वैसे रीजंस ढूंढना, वैसी चीज़ें ढूंढना. It sounds whatever, but it is the truth, because your body is so used to of it that it's a brain is related so strongly with your gut also, of course, and your brain also. So it will, this is whole system, and this whole system works together. So it's like you won't even get to know. आपको इतना आप हैबिचुअल हो उस चीज़ से that you will feel that आपकी बॉडी खुद ही अट्रैक्ट करेगी ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस, ऐसी चीज़ें, या फिर वो जिस भी माहौल में रह रही है वो उसमें से वो रीजंस बार बार ढूंढ के निकालेगी, क्योंकि वो एडिक्टेड है उन इमोशंस के लिए. सो वो आपको एडिक्शन ब्रेक करना है. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ important it is to break an addiction, how important and how much necessary it is. So to break an addiction, you need to remove your body. पहला स्टेप जो आपके हाथ में वो यही है. बाकी की जो चीज़ें हैं वो रहेंगी, लेकिन फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ कि आप उसको उस जगह से हटाओ. बिकॉज योर बॉडी मेमोराइज. अब आप the place you have been to, जहाँ पे especially you have had such memories, you have had such past experiences which you never want to experience again, the emotions which you have had and you don't want to have them again. So you need to remove, you need to stop going to such places, you need to stop meeting those people. It's very important. You cannot, you're whoever you are, you cannot do something like, no, I'll be in that situation, I'll be stuck here, I'll be doing the things and I can do it. No, it doesn't happen like that. Even if you want, you can stay for more time, experience it, and then you will do it. That you will not find, thoda moda kuch aapko lagega that you have changed something, but actually things are not going to work the way it should work, because to change your life is a big deal and you need to really work hard for it. You need to be really prepared for it. So if you are fearful to make changes, if you are fearful to do anything, then it's not going to work for you, it's not going to happen for you. It, however harsh it sounds, because it's really important that you have to start somewhere. You have to stop meeting those people where you get those same emotions, those feelings, because other people are not in your control. That is the reason you need to even isolate yourself so many times completely. And when we are interacting with people, you must have heard that we all are amalgamation of 5 people we spend most of our time with. So if you are living with people who are not confident, you are definitely going to be the one of them. If you are living with people who are insecure, you might will absorb those qualities. If you are living with people who are not very successful, you will absorb that as well. So the point is, you need to accept it. It's very, very true. So if your amalgamation, it also includes the things you watch on social media, the things you pick up from your environment, the kind of TV channels, the kind of movies you watch, series you watch, everything is a part of it. Because it's exactly like, when you're repeating things to your head. See, law of attraction is very strongly connected or based at neuroplasticity. And how does neuroplasticity works? Neuroplasticity basically works by conditioning your brain. So we all have a belief system, and our life works on that belief system. So the most important thing is, we all have belief, right? We all have a belief. So some people will think money is very easy, money comes to me so easily. Some people will think no, money is very hard. Beauty की definition होती है, चीज़ों को करने की definition होती है, घूमना कैसे है, कपड़े कैसे पहनना, हर चीज़ के लिए हमारे पास एक conditioning है. And that conditioning has only happened because you have been told those things repeatedly. So when you are told some things repeatedly, it gets conditioned in your mind. That creates a belief. Like fair complexion is the base of beauty. Then maybe it's your belief now that fair complexion is the base of beauty. Whereas somebody who's not told like that, for that person it's like beauty is beauty, that's all. So the beliefs vary from person to person depending on what kind of life you have lived. So just like that, when your beliefs are there, your mind works like that. Some people can think life is tough. Some people can think it's very difficult to study. It's very difficult to focus. I also want to tell you one story, very interesting. I was watching this interview where this lady, she has cleared IAS exam. And when somebody asked her that how difficult was that, इतनी बड़ी exam है, उसको इस level पे रखा गया है, she just said one thing, कि मैंने ना कभी किसी की बात ही नहीं सुनी है. The moment I decided I need to crack this exam, she said that her only thing was that I never allowed anyone to tell me anything about that interview. Anything about that interview, about that, IAS final interview, the study, the exam. I just didn't allow anything. I just kept in my mind that it's easy, I can do it. And so for her, it was really easy. She did it. She did it in one go. The whole thing. And I believe it happens. I totally believe you'll get so many such examples if you see around yourself, that there are so many tough things people do very easily just because of the belief system. So belief system is actually the most important thing. And how does it work? Based on neuroplasticity. So now basically, whatever you are doing in your life, you must have had one belief system. You need to first of all recognize your belief system, कि मैं किन चीज़ों पे believe करती हूँ. पहले आपको अपने अंदर झांक के देखना पड़ेगा. There is a proper way. Some things will come out easily. Some things could be difficult for you to understand, but you need to figure out, and then you need to see कि कौन से belief systems हैं, कौन सी ऐसे beliefs हैं मेरे जो मेरी life में hurdle create कर रहे हैं, जो मुझे problem कर रहे हैं, जो मेरी happiness को रोक रहे हैं, and उन belief system को आपको change करना पड़ेगा. Now how will you change it? So when the point comes that आपको change करना है, that is the time that you need to actually analyze कि कौन सी जगह, कौन से लोग, कौन से उससे मुझे कट ऑफ करने की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, रादर आपको आइसोलेट करने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता. आप इफ़ यू सिट विद पीपल, इफ़ यू आर लाइक socializing with people, you can do if you want for a change, but normally the best is to isolate, because when you you don't have any control over anyone. Okay, people will say what they want to say, people will do what they want to do, and you as a human, we are not machines, we are humans, we get affected by what people do with us and what people tell us. So if how much ever strong your emotions are, that much you will get affected. So it exactly works like किसी ने दो शब्द भी कई बार बोल दिए ना, तो that stimuli happen, you get two words, it will get into your brain, your whatever, you will start feeling, you'll have a sensation, and things will change, and you will not even realize. Even experts, even people who are already working as therapists, psychologists. I just was watching another story I want to tell. I was watching one psychologist giving her, she was just talking about not that because she's a psychologist she will not have her downtime. So she was telling from last 5-6 days I was watching I am very anxious every day, and she was not realizing kya problem ho rahi hai, because she's already, of course, she's known, she's educated on the same subject, she's working on herself. Then she analyzed, after 3 to 4 days of analysis, she got to know that actually she was continuously watching a series. In that series there was one main character who was basically going through panic attack, and since that character was going through panic attack, that was affecting her also, because she was very much engrossed in that. This is how it works. So my only idea of telling you this is how it works. That is the reason you actually need to isolate yourself from everyone and anyone and anything, because you cannot plan people's reaction, you cannot plan what is going to happen. And if you really want to change things, if you really want to change yourself, you need to have these guts, you need to have this kind of fearlessness that yes, you can do it. It's a time, and that time you need to be rigorously, dedicatedly just working on yourself with a very positive mindset. Now there is also a process that what all things you can do, what all things are involved, and we are going to have everything one by one. First, we spoke about that alignment is important, you need to bring the alignment. Now we talked about that what is the first step to bring the alignment, that you actually need to isolate yourself for 6-month period, 3 months or 1 year, whatever period you decide. You have to create a special, क्योंकि जब आप अपने आप को आइसोलेट करोगे, आप अपने आसपास जो एनर्जी क्रिएट करोगे वो सब वो करोगे जो आपके लिए फेवरेबल है, जो आपके न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी को चेंज करने में आपकी हेल्प करेगी. एंड वी कैन डू दैट, बिकॉज जब हम रिपीट करने से गलत चीज़ों का बिलीव बना सकते हैं, तो हम रिपीट करने से सही चीज़ों का बिलीव भी बना सकते हैं. एंड यू नीड टू बिलीव इट एंड रिमेंबर इट वेरी वेल.